story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 2500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.